Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The Consumer Protection Act 1986, observed that the definition of consumer therein was not exhaustive and Section 2 exempts only such services as are rendered free of charge or under a contract of personal service. The district forum also rejected the sad contention of the appellant herein upon holding that the service rendered by the appellant herein did not fall within the exempted categories. The district forum categorically found that the services rendered by the appellant herein to Bhivani came within the ambit of Section 2 of the Consumer Protection Act. The question involved in the other matters taken up along with this appeal is identical and have been allowed by the district forum and thereafter by the state and national commissions, learned senior advocate appearing in support of the appeal, repeated the same submissions that had been advanced before the district forum and the state commission. He contended that inasmuch as, the respondent was not a consumer within the meaning of Section 2 of the Consumer Protection Act 1986, the said act would have no application, particularly when from the definition itself it would be evident that no service was being rendered to the respondent free of charge. Also urged that when a master and servant relationship existed, the Consumer Protection Act would not apply to either of them. In this regard, various decisions of this court were referred to in support of his contention that contract of personal service or a service rendered free of charge would not attract the provisions of the Consumer Protection Act, 1986, urged that the services rendered by the appellant to the respondent amounted to personal service which was of a free nature and would not, therefore, attract the provisions of the Consumer Protection Act on both counts. According to the respondent, could be at best have asked for pensionary benefits under the 1971 Employees Family Pension Scheme, which had been replaced by the Employees Pension Scheme, 1985 submissions regarding the non-applicability of the Consumer Protection Act to the case of the respondent must also be rejected on account of the fact that the Regional Provident Fund Commissioner, who is the person responsible for the working of the 1995 pension scheme, must be held to be a service giver within the meaning of Section 2 of the Consumer Protection Act. Nor is this a case of rendering of free service or rendering of service under a contract of personal service so as to bring the relationship between the appellant and respondent within the concept of master and servant. In our view, the respondent comes squarely within the definition of consumer.